The Dyson V8 Extra Cordless Vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning companion. A true game changer for your home. It's like wielding a magic wand that effortlessly erases dirt and debris. For its digital motor, V8 spins at up to 110,000 revolutions per minute, generating powerful suction. Therefore, this machine is not just a vacuum. It is a meticulous dirt destroyer, diligently seeking out and eradicating messes. Moreover, the vacuum is a lightweight and cordless wonder, granting you the freedom to roam from room to room without being tethered to a wall socket. Its purple hue is a regal statement, a bold promise of its cleaning prowess. Consequently, every nook and cranny becomes accessible, from under furniture to high corners. Because of the ergonomic design and balanced weight, the Dyson V8 Extra Cordless Vacuum truly transforms the chore of cleaning into a seamless and almost enjoyable experience, all while its advanced whole machine filtration captures allergens and expels cleaner air. Furthermore, the Dyson V8 Extra Cordless Vacuum is a master of adaptation, a chameleon of cleaning tools. It comes equipped with a suite of attachments, each designed for a specific purpose, such as the crevice tool, which can reach the smallest spaces, or the combination tool for delicate surfaces. Hence, whether you are tackling pet hair on upholstery, dust on hardwood floors, or crumbs in your car, this vacuum has a tool for the job. Additionally, the hygienic dirt ejector is a marvel of engineering. A simple push of a button to release the collected debris into the bin, without you ever having to touch the mess. In other words, this vacuum is designed for a no-fuss, no-muss experience. Ultimately, the Dyson V8 Extra Cordless Vacuum is an investment in cleanliness and convenience, providing a powerful yet gentle touch on your floors and a firm grip on stubborn messes. Finally, the V8 Extra's impressive battery life is a testament to its endurance. A marathon runner in the race against dust, although it boasts a powerful motor. It runs for up to 40 minutes on a single charge, providing ample time to clean your entire home thoroughly. In contrast to traditional vacuums, this Dyson offers a quiet but mighty performance, allowing you to clean without disturbing the peace of your household. Initially, you might be skeptical of its power given its lightweight design. Yet once you see the results, you'll be a believer. Therefore, this vacuum is more than a mere appliance. It is a silent guardian of your home's hygiene. Consequently, the Dyson V8 Extra Cordless Vacuum is a sophisticated and efficient solution for modern living, delivering exceptional performance with every use and promising a cleaner, fresher environment for you and your family. Pros: awesome, worth the money, absolutely fabulous, well worth the extra money, lightweight and super convenient, ergonomically designed handle, great for pet hair, easy to maneuver, great suction power, attachments are easy to use, easy to empty and clean, attachments are easy to swap, can be used as a hand vac. Dyson customer service is great, long-lasting, long battery life on low power, striking and fun color options, replacement parts are available, quiet operation. Cons: battery lasts about 20 minutes, must hold button at all times, falls over the moment you let go. Battery no longer could be charged. Features: powerful suction, transforms to a handheld, Dyson digital motor V8 2 power modes, hygienic dirt ejector, captures microscopic dust, lightweight and versatile, whole machine filtration. The Dyson V8 Extra Cordless Vacuum Cleaner in purple offers powerful suction powered by the Dyson digital motor V8. It is a versatile and lightweight vacuum that easily transforms into a handheld for cleaning various surfaces. With 2 power modes and whole machine filtration, it captures microscopic dust and allergens. The hygienic dirt ejector makes it easy to empty the bin without touching the dirt. The Dyson V8 Extra Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, in a striking purple color, is a highly rated and well-regarded cleaning tool, praised for its powerful suction and lightweight, ergonomic design. It's particularly effective at picking up pet hair. Users find it easy to maneuver, with simple-to-use and swappable attachments that allow it to convert into a convenient hand vacuum. The vacuum is also noted for its quiet operation, easy-to-empty dustbin, and the availability of replacement parts. While its battery life is limited to about 20 minutes on low power and the user must continuously hold down a button to operate it, many feel the vacuum's convenience, performance, and overall quality make it well worth the cost. Some users report issues with the battery no longer holding a charge and the vacuum not being able to stand on its own.